In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in Canva. First, let's start by identifying the object you want to remove. This could be text, an image, a shape, or any other element on your design canvas. When you look at your project, think about what you want to eliminate. Maybe it's an unwanted text box or a distracting image. Selecting the right element is crucial. It sets the stage for the next steps. If you are unsure, just hover over the object until you see a bounding box around it. This visual cue ensures you are focusing on the correct element. Once you've found it, you're ready to proceed. Now that you have clicked on the object you want to remove, the next step is to delete it. This is a straightforward action. Simply press the delete key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, the selected object should vanish from your canvas. This immediate feedback shows that your action was successful. If the object disappears, you've done it right. This step is vital because deleting unwanted elements helps to clarify your design. If you prefer an alternative method, you can right-click on the object instead. This action opens a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Delete. This method can be helpful if you are working with multiple elements or if you want to ensure you have the right object selected. Using the right-click option can also help you avoid accidentally deleting the wrong item. Once you select Delete, the object will be removed just like before. Understanding how to remove objects in Canva is essential for creating polished designs. It allows you to refine your work and focus on the elements that truly matter. By following these steps, you can easily manage your design elements. This skill is a key part of your design toolkit. After you have deleted the object, take a moment to review your design. Look for any other elements that may no longer fit your vision. Sometimes removing one object can reveal the need to adjust others. This is a good time to consider if the layout looks balanced and cohesive. Remember, design is about clarity and focus. At this point, you might want to experiment with adding new elements to replace what you've removed. Canva offers a plethora of resources to enhance your design. You can add images, shapes, or text that align better with your goals. This is a great way to refresh your project. In summary, removing objects in Canva is a simple yet powerful action. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut or the right-click method, both are effective. These steps help keep your designs clean and professional. With practice, these actions become second nature. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Now you can confidently remove unwanted elements from your Canva designs. With this skill, you can take your projects to the next level. Happy designing!